warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Feni Ferawati. Saya mahasiswa PPGDJ Angkatan 1 2020, jurusan Bahasa Inggris. Pada hari ini, hari Selasa, tanggal 17 November 2020, saya akan melaksanakan uji kinerja moda daring.
Morning,
Miss. I'm fine. And you?
Me? Yeah, I'm fine too, thank you. Angel, how are you today?
I'm good, Miss.
Okay, thank you,
My
Angel.
voice
Is clear?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, that's good. Before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Yoga, please lead our prayer today.
Okay, Miss. Okay, friends, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Pray start. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Yoga.
Yes. Welcome.
So, have you filled your attendance list in the Google Classroom?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Before we talk more about our material today, first, I want to give you a video. Please pay attention to the video. This is a video about song. After you watch the video, we will sing together. Can you?
Yes, I can.
Okay, students, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's sing a silly song about apples. There's an apple on my head, an apple on my head. It's a tasty treat I love to eat, but now it's on my head. There's an apple on my eye, an apple on my eye. It's a tasty treat I love to eat, but now it's on my eye. There's an apple on my nose, an apple on my nose. It's a tasty treat I love to eat, but now it's on my nose. There's an apple on my nose, an apple on my nose. It's a tasty treat I love to eat, but now it's on my nose. There's an apple on my ear, an apple on my ear. It's a tasty treat I love to eat, but now it's on my ear. On my head again. There's an apple on my head, an apple on my head. It's a tasty treat I love to eat, but now it's on my head.
Okay. Gimana lagunya? Is it fun?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good. Let's sing the song together. Yeah?
Okay.
Hi there. I am really glad that you're here. Let's sing a silly song about apples. There's an apple on my head.
On my head.
An
apple
apple
on my head.
I love to eat, but now
It's
it's
time to
on my
love
head.
it, but now it's on my head.
There's an apple on my eye.
An apple on my eye.
On my
eyes.
An apple on my eye. It's tasty, I love it, but now it's on my eye.
There's an apple on my nose.
There's
An
apple on my nose.
It's
An apple
An
on
apple on
my
my
nose.
nose.
It's
At the sugar I love you.
but
It's
now
my
it's my nose.
mine.
There's a no, 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 no. An apple on my nose. It's
An
the
apple on
tasty
my
thing about
mouth.
to eat, but now it's on my
It's
mouth.
tasty, but now it's on my mouth.
There's an apple
Is the
on my
apple
ear.
on my ear?
An
An
apple
apple
An
on
apple
my
on my
ear?
ear.
tasty tree I love to eat, but
It's
now
Teacher,
it's
I
on
love
my
you to eat,
ear.
but
it's
not
on my ear.
On my head again.
So, what is this song tell about?
apple.
About apple. Okay. Any other answer?
Tentang letak apple, Miss.
Oke, letak apple. Di mana-mana tadi apelnya?
Di kepala,
Oke,
hidung,
kepala,
mata, telinga,
mulut.
mulut.
mulut. Oke. Tadi kan kalian bisa melihat liriknya kan? Nah, dari liriknya juga tadi, untuk menyatakan keberadaan apple-nya, dia menggunakan kata apa?
There is.
Iya,
There
good. There is, ya kan? There's an apple on my head, ya kan? Itu
Yes.
menyatakan
Yes.
apple di atas. So, our material today is about there is and there are. By following this activity today, at the end of the lesson, you will able to state the existence of things or people, animal, something by using there is and there are. So the main activities today, first, video and see. Wait. You will watch the video, see a picture and read a text, and then based on the video, picture and the text, you make some questions. Yeah, based on them, make some questions. Then we will discuss question to find the answer. Next, we will do some assignment, some tasks, and one of them you will be pair. Yeah, you will do the assignment with your pair. And at the last, you will present the result of your discussion with your pair. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. For the first, you will watch the video. I will share you video here.
There is one cake. There are 10 balloons. There is one clown. There are 7 children. What do you observe?
There are 2 cats. There is a ball. There's a ball.
Okay, now your turn.
Your turn.
There.
A dog.
There
Two
are
dogs.
3 dogs.
Yes, there are 3 dogs.
There is
a car.
there is a car.
Yes, there is a
There's
car.
a car.
Next.
There
There are two
Two
lions.
Yeah, there are 2 lions.
There are 2 lions.
There
There
are
are
2 houses.
2 houses.
There are 2
There are
houses.
2 houses.
Houses.
There are.
There
There
are
Four
There are
4 pencils.
There are 4
Pencils.
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 How about
There is one.
there is
There's a plane.
There's
Yeah.
There
a plane.
is a plane.
How many
Sorry.
apples there?
There are
There are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 apples.
There are 7
Okay, that's good.
a rabbit.
There is a rabbit.
But there's a
There's a
rabbit.
rabbit.
There
There
are
are 2
cows.
cows.
There are 2 cows.
What do you observe?
Okay, have you watched the video clearly?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Yes. So now make some question based on the video that you have watched. Yeah. Finish.
Finish.
Okay, that's good. The next, ya, next. Simpan dulu questionnya. Next, berikutnya. Kalian akan melihat sebuah gambar, kemudian ada teksnya. Let me share here. That's good. That's clear.
Yes, that's clear.
Okay. Can you see the picture here?
Yes, I can see.
What is the pictures show about?
Mm,
Where is it?
In the road.
On the road. Ya,
the
di jalan. Kira-kira gambarnya menunjukkan apa? Di jalan ini.
menunjukkan banyak
Orang.
sepeda motor.
Oke. Orang. Ada banyak mobil. Oke. Ada banyak kendaraan. Ya kan?
Yes.
Ada banyak kendaraan. Okay, but before that, please read the text here. Angel, please read the text.
Okay, miss. The roads are busy now. There are many bicycles. There are also many people who cross the roads. But there are many people who drive very fast. There is little care and discipline on the road. So there is much worry on our road.
Okay, thank you, Angel. That's very good. Yeah. Now, based on the picture and the text here, you make a question seperti yang kalian lakukan before, ya, seperti yang kalian lakukan sebelumnya, yang kalian lakukan observe ketika video tadi. Nah, sekarang lakukan hal yang sama, make some question based on the picture and the text here. Do you get the point? Okay, finish.
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 Okay, now it's your turn to tell your question. We start from Yoga. Yoga, what is your question?
When we use there is and when we use there are.
Okay, Yoga's question. When we use there is and when we use there are. Anybody can answer this question? Let's discuss here.
Yes. When we use there is and when we use there are. It's okay.
Kalau there is hanya
Okay, that's good, Angel. Mana yang lain? Is there any another opinion?
No.
No.
No. Oke, udah jelas ya Yoga ya?
Udah, miss.
Okay, good. Next, Sakin. Sakin, what's your question?
When we use much and we use many.
Okay, when we use much and when we use many. Good. artinya dulu. What is much and what is many? Anybody can answer?
Banyak.
Oke, banyak. Jadi kapan kita menggunakan many dan much? Anybody can answer?
Keduanya memiliki arti yang sama. Kalau many, barang yang bisa dihitung. Kalau much, barang yang tidak bisa dihitung.
Ya, menyatakan untuk barang yang bisa dihitung. Kalau much tidak bisa dihitung. Contoh kalimatnya bisa kita lihat dalam teksnya. Kalau kalian perhatikan di sini. Yang mana menggunakan kata many di sini?
Kendaraan.
Ya, there are many vehicles, ya kan?
Cross the road.
Nah, karena vehicles ini bisa kita
Kendaraan.
hitung jumlahnya, per jumlahnya. Kalau yang menggunakan kata much, contohnya ada di sini.
Oke.
There is much,
Much worry on a road.
karena worry itu
Worry
tidak bisa kita
on
persatuannya kan. Kita hitung persatuannya misalnya. Air, oke, water.
Udara.
Coco means I.
Okay, that's good. Next, Chelsea. Chelsea, what's your question?
Arti dari the roads are bushy now.
The roads are busy now. Yeah. Who can answer this question? The roads are busy now. Sakin. Can you
Yes.
answer this question?
Jalanan terlihat sangat sibuk sekarang, mungkin? Artinya, Miss?
Oke, bisa. Jalanan sibuk sekarang. Maksudnya ramai ya, ramai sekarang. Terakhir, Angel. Angel, what's your question?
Kenapa kalau yang di akhir there are kayak house ada dua harus diberi s?
Oke. Anybody can answer this question?
Mungkin karena dia kan
Mi?
lebih dari satu.
Ya.
Lebih dari satu.
Oke, Sakin bisa ditambahkan?
Ya sih, Miss, sambil nge-yoga karena lebih dari satu.
Karena menyatakan barangnya atau bendanya, nounnya lebih dari
Satu.
satu. Maka di akhir katanya itu diberi huruf
S.
Okay, that's good. Okay, that's the end of our discussion. So the next activity, based on our discussion before, let's state here. Okay, let's answer this question together. For the first question, blah 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 to state one object.
There is.
What is the answer?
There is.
Okay, there is. The second question, we use blah 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 to state more than one object.
There are.
There are. Okay, good. Next, we use blah 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 to state uncountable noun.
Much.
Much. Okay, good. We use blah 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 to state countable noun.
Many.
Many.
Many. Okay, don't forget to make a note, yeah, on your book.
Okay.
Okay, now we are going to the next activity. The next activity, we will write the things in our school, yeah, our beloved school. By completing the sentences below, we will learn to describe things by stating what there are. Complete the following text with the right be form. Okay, nah yang ini please write on your book, ya. Tulis di bukunya, then answer the question. Complete the sentence. I mean. Jadi nanti after this meeting, after this virtual meeting, don't forget to take a picture. Yeah. Take a picture from this activity, then share your picture on the
Miss,
yes.
soalnya
Soalnya ditulis gak, Miss?
Yes, silakan ditulis soalnya.
oke.
Okay, have you finished yet?
Yes. Yes, Miss.
Finish.
Okay, good. Now let's answer the question here. For the question number 1, who can answer this question? Me, okay, Chelsea?
In my school there are many
There.
rooms.
Okay, there are many rooms. Good. Number 2?
There toilet.
Me.
Okay, Angel.
There are.
There
Are.
Are
There are. Okay, gimana yang lain? Is it correct?
correct.
Correct. Okay, number 3.
There is Miss. Mungkin
Yes.
There is a library.
There is a library. Okay, is it correct?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, next. Next activity, yeah. The next activity, you will work in pair to observe the picture, then write 5 sentences by using there is or there are to state the things based on the picture.
there is.
Okay, you will work in pair. Kalian akan bekerja secara berkelompok. Oke, di sini Miss akan mengelompokkan kalian ya. Jadi, untuk pasangannya, Sakin akan berpasangan dengan Angel, Chelsea akan berpasangan dengan Yoga. Any question? Is there
No.
question? No? Oke, good. Jadi, perintahnya ya, tadi kan di Google Classroom, I have sent the link for you untuk memudahkan kalian dalam berdiskusi with your pair. Jadi, after this, close this meeting, go to the Google Classroom, then click the link based on your pair, based on your group. Ya, Sakin and Angel will be in group 1. Chelsea will be in group 2. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Now in the group, you will discuss how to write 5 sentences based on the picture. Okay, now please leave this room, then go to the Google Classroom, then click the link based on your group. Okay?
Okay. Ada seko singa tuh pakai apa kita Angel? SKR.
Is.
Nulisnya lo i. Oh, ada seko monyet kita.
Satu
SKR. Seko.
Is.
Is. Oke. Ya, Ada 2 orang penjaga kebun binatang. Pakai apa kita?
Bang pakai R.
Oke. Ada si beruang loh. Pakai iske, pakai R.
Pakai is.
Gimana gitu nulisnya?
There is a bear.
Oke, wait. Finish, Miss.
Finish.
Okay, students, have you finished yet? Finish? Okay, good.
Yes.
Now, we will back to our main room, ya.
Okay.
Kita kembali ke ruang utama. Silakan kalian klik link ruang utama di Google Classroom kita. Okay? Okay, good. Yes, please. Yes, udah boleh leave. Okay, everybody is here now.
Yes, I'm here.
Yes. So how well your discussion?
Good.
Very good. Very good.
Good.
Very
Okay.
good.
Now it's your turn to present your result of the discussion here. We start from group 1. Yes, please.
Okay. Number 1, there is a lion in the zoo. Number 2, there is a monkey in the tree. Number 3, there are 2 zookeepers. Number 4, there is a bear in the pool. Number 5, there are 2 deers drinking water.
Okay, good. That's correct. Okay, give applause. Okay, next. Group 2, ya. Okay, nah. Before we close our lesson, let's make conclusion and do reflection. Okay? Okay, first make a conclusion about this activity learning today. What have you learned today?
About there are and there is.
Okay, about there are and there is. Good. So when we use there are and when we use there is?
There is untuk satu objek.
Okay.
And there are lebih dari satu objek.
Okay, so how about the function? What is the function of there is and there are?
Ada satu benda. Sudah.
Okay, good, Chelsea. Okay, now let's do a reflection. We will play a card game.
Yay.
Yeah, you will choose the card, one card here, and then answer the question by if your answer is yes, make this sign. Yes. If your answer is no, make this sign.
Okay.
Can you understand?
Yes, I
Okay,
understand.
we start from Sakin. Sakin, choose one card.
I choose red.
Red. Okay. Ini walaupun Sakin yang pilih, yang semuanya tetap jawab ya. All of you have to answer this question. Okay, the question. Is there any difficulty in our learning activity today?
No.
No. Okay, no difficulty. Okay, that's good. So far so good, right? Next, Angel. Angel, choose one.
Green.
Green. Okay, the green question. Do you get the good thing from this material? Do you get the good things?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so what is it?
What is it?
I
I don't know.
Know how to use there is and there are.
Okay, good, Angel. Chelsea. Peach color?
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay, Yellow question. Do you think our material is difficult to understand? No. So?
No.
Okay, no. So it's easy, right?
Yes.
Okay,
no.
that's all for today. Okay, maybe one of you can make a message from our activity today.
Saya Miss, ada.
Oke, silakan. Yes, please, Akin.
Keadaannya sangat menyenangkan. Apalagi di pas bagian nyanyi-nyanyi.
Oke.
Oke. Dari videonya dapat dipahami lebih dalam lagi.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Sakin. So from me, don't forget to learn more, about this material. Read the handout that I shared to you on the Google Classroom.
Yes.
Okay. And terakhir dari saya, jaga diri kalian, jaga kesehatan kalian, ya kan? Kalau keluar itu silahkan gunakan
Masker.
Oke, jika dari luar atau pengen ngapa-ngapain harus cuci
Tangan.
Oke.
Tetap semangat walau belajar terhalang oleh sinyal.
Iya, benar. That's good. Ya, pesan dari Sakin. Benar. Okay, for the next material, we are going to learn more about this. But we focus on the using of much and many. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So before we end our lesson today, let's pray together. Please, Yoga, lead our prayer today.
Okay. Before we end our lesson today, let's pray together. Pray start. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Yoga. Thank you all. Thank you for joining our classroom today. Okay, don't forget to do your assignment. Go to the Google Classroom and do your assignment there. And don't forget to take a picture from the task before. Then take it to the post it to the Google Classroom. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so bye-bye and see you.
See you.
See you.